Zen Presbyterian. He doesn't speak much, but when he does, computer fits the equation. I'm not afraid of anything in this world. There's nothing you can throw at me that I haven't already heard. I'm just trying to find a decent melody, a song that I can sing in my own company. Never thought you were a fool, but darling, look at you. Oh, you gotta stand up straight, carry your own weight. These tears are going nowhere, baby. You've got to get yourself together. You got stuck in a moment, now you can't get out of it. Don't say that later will be better. Now you're stuck in a moment, and you can't get out of it. I will not forsake the colors that you bring, but the nights you filled with fireworks, did they leave you with nothing? I'm still enchanted by a light you brought to me. Still listen through your ears, through your eyes I can see. You are such a fool to worry like you do. Oh, I know it's tough, and you can never get enough of what you don't really need now. My, oh my, you got to get yourself together. You got stuck in a moment, and now you can't get out of it. Oh Lord, look at you now, stuck in a moment, and you can't get out. I was unconscious, half asleep. The water is warm till you discover how deep. I wasn't jumping, for me it was a fall. It's a long way down to nothing at all. You got to get yourself together. You got stuck in a moment, and now you can't get out of it. Don't say that later will be better. Now you're stuck in a moment, and you can't get out. And if the night runs over, and if the day won't last, and if your wish should falter along the stony paths, and if the night runs over, and if the days won't last, and if your way should falter along that stony path, it's just a moment, 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 it's just a moment. This too shall pass.